Xiaomi 15 Ultra. Released 2025, February 27th. Dimensions: 161.3 by 75.3 by 9.4 millimeters. Weight 226 grams or 229 grams. Display: LTPO AMOLED. 68B colors, 120 Hz, 1920 Hz. PWM, size 6.73 inches, 108.9 centimeters. CPU, Octa-core, 2x 4.3, 2 GHz, Oryon 5, 2 Phoenix, L plus 6x 3.53 GHz, Oryon 5, 2 Phoenix M. Chipset, Qualcomm SM8750A B Snapdragon 8 Elite, 3 nanometers. GPU, Adreno 830. Memory, 256 GB, 12 GB. RAM, 512 GB, 16 GB RAM. Main camera, quad, 50 megapixels, f1.6, 23 millimeters. Wide, 50 megapixels, f1.8, 70 millimeters. Telephoto, 200 MP, f/2.6, 100 millimeters. Periscope telephoto, 50 MP, f/2.2, 214 millimeters, 115 degrees, ultra-wide, dual-pixel PDAF TOF 3D depth. Video, 8K at 30 frames per second, 4K at 3060-120 frames per second, Dolby Vision HDR 10-bit rec, 4K at 60 frames per second, 1080p. Selfie camera, 32 megapixels, f2.0, 21 millimeters wide. Video 4K at 30 or 60 frames per second, 1080p at 30 or 60 frames per second. Gyro EIS. Comms, Wi-Fi 802.11, Bluetooth 6.0, a 2DP USB Type-C. Sensors, fingerprint, accelerometer, proximity, gyro, compass. Battery, Si-1C Li-ion 5410 mAh. Global SiC Li-ion 6000 mAh. China, 80-watt wireless, 10-watt reverse wireless.